Day 4 of our protein pack Parfait replacements. If you love Reese's Cups, you're gonna love this. Let's go. Welcome to day 4 of our protein pack Parfait series. Today's ingredients are vanilla protein powder of your choice, plain Greek yogurt of your choice, natural peanut butter of your choice, zero sugar chocolate syrup, chocolate chips, and crushed unsalted peanuts. Let's begin by adding a 5.3 ounce 0% fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of zero sugar chocolate syrup, half a cup of vanilla protein powder of your choice. For this recipe, we're using the Dymatize mass gainer, and then mix until smooth. Next, add in a half a tablespoon of chocolate chips and save the other half for the end. For assembly, first start with half of our chocolate Greek yogurt mixture. Then add 2 tablespoons of all natural peanut butter of your choice, followed by the remaining leftover mixture of our chocolate Greek yogurt. Add the other half tablespoon of chocolate chips, as well as unsalted crushed peanuts, and enjoy. Dude, that is really good. If you love peanut butter cups, you've got to try this one. See you tomorrow. Don't forget the threads, baby.